In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to add and print in a long bond paper in Brother printers. First, make sure that the driver printer is properly installed before you proceed with this process. As you can see, we can't add and configure the Brother printer inside the Microsoft Word. The user-defined size is disabled, and once you've changed any value it will not be add up and will not be saved. In order to configure this function in Brother printers, press Windows logo and type Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel. Choose Devices and Printers. Click Printers and Scanners. Choose the model of the Brother printer. Click Printing Preferences. Click the paper size and choose User Defined. Type the file name for the paper settings you want to add. Choose the measurement 2 inches, and change the height and width to 8.5 to 13 inches. Click Save. Now the paper settings is add in the Brother printer. Close all the programs. Let's open Microsoft Word to check if the paper settings is added in the option of Microsoft Word. As you can see, the long bond paper settings is now add up to the list. We successfully configured the paper size and we can now print in a long bond paper.